Yep, that's the kind of morning we're having today. Good morning, everybody. It is chilly this morning. Holy moly. It was in the 90s last week. And then wake up yesterday and it's like, bam, fall is here. Just like snap of a finger. Yeah, I've got my hoodie on and I got it over my hands because the steering wheel is cold. Cold. This is the way I like it, just like this, because I can grip that steering wheel through my hoodie. Yes, I'm wearing my, let me put it down. I'm wearing my Honeycutt Farm hoodie from shopmotivated.com. I hope other people got a chance to get one. Boy, is this thing comfortable and warm. I love it. It's perfect. It's not heavy. I can't handle any weight on me. Anything with too much weight gives me really bad migraines. So, you know, this is lightweight, but it's warm. It's good. I like that. You know, a lot of times coats and hoodies are like drag you down on your shoulders, and this doesn't. So, way to go. I had plans for today. I was gonna go randonating. I was gonna go to Ritual Rock today. I had all kinds of things I was gonna do, but it is, as you've seen in the clip before this, it is misty. I mean, the cold don't bother me. It's the fact that it's raining. I'm trying really hard not to sneeze. So I guess I'm going to take some stuff to the free little pantry. Sorry about that. The sneeze is over. I have some stuff to go to the free little pantry. And I've got some bills to pay. I'm going to do some shopping. I'm gonna go pay off a bill. Yay. I called to get see about getting my internet and cable back on. I live in a community where the cable's included in my rent, the basic cable, but you have to rent the box. That alone is $22 plus all the FCC fees and mandated fees and unmandated fees and taxes and all that. And by the time it's done, it's like $27 just for the box. For free, included in rent cable. Then I asked about the internet, and you're not going to believe the internet is $57 plus all those fees and taxes and everything. It was another $10, $12. Yeah, I wanted to cry. $100 basically to have internet and my free included with my cable. Thank you, Mediacom, but no thank you. And we're not allowed to have anything but Mediacom where we live. It's contract they have with Mediacom. Mediacom or nothing. That's what they said. So I go without. Trying to figure out how else to do internet because I'm tired of taking 11 hours to upload a video. So I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so shut up, Laura, and let's get this going. Okay, I am going to leave the car running because it is cold and the heater is running and the defroster is running. So, I'll be right back. Yes, they are mowing in the rain. I guess nothing stops these mowers. The free pantry is about empty. Maybe I'll make another trip down today with some of the canned goods and stuff that I can't eat. And some of the other snacks that I've got. So that's it for this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go do a few other things, and then I'll be back with you in a little bit. Okay, guys. Well, let me pause this. I was watching Moxley's. He uploaded a video. Before I go any farther, I finally got the rest of this order. From Pantry Chat. I think it was like June that I paid for the order. It came in like August finally, beginning of August, and then it was like only one item came, and then this part was back ordered, and the part that was back ordered was actually an item that was like a seasonal item, and it's the kernel cutter, which will go in my drawer and until next summer, because corn on the cob season is over. And you know, there's a reason why you want to eat corn on the cob, and that's because it tastes so much better than corn out of a can, you know. But it's here. I can't get the plastic bag open. So it comes with a little piece of paper. If I can get it out. Safety and use instructions, care instructions, tells you how to use it, and it's in English and some other language. Oh, it's in a couple of different languages, so kind of shows you, whoops, I'm dropping stuff, shows you how to use it. Yeah, well, corn's been long gone for months now. It was on its way out when I got the rest of my order. Oh, I thought it was going to be mostly metal. It's mostly plastic. That's the only metal part there is. The rest is plastic. Well, that's, well, I don't know if you could see that. That's pretty wide. I can't even try it out, tell you how it works, because there's no corn. Corn season's over with. So, anyhow, I can't tell you how it works. So I guess I'll just package it back up, put it back in a little plastic bag until months from now. Oh, good Lord. But it came, finally. Anyways, enough of that. This fiasco with that company. I went and picked up a couple things. And let me do this. I picked up some of that because I needed to complete some things. This is Dollar Tree, by the way, and they had some stickers. I wanted some star stickers. These are kind of kitty looking, but I'll have to work with them. And then they had these jumbo wall things. They're really quite pretty, two-sided thingy. And then they had stencils. Let's see that. There's actually 4 stencils per sheet. And then they had the stencil wheel, which this is just numbers. I didn't see any with anything but the numbers, but you know, the word numbers. So I guess that's what I'm going to start with. I bought some more of this hair because I realized I needed more than just one package for what I was going to do. This book, I don't need the cover. I needed just the book. Is going to be a part of a project that you'll see on a craft. So there's that. This is going to be part of an upcoming video. It's not a craft thing. It's just going to be part of an upcoming video. And I was able to get 2 more of these. I know I hadn't shown these before, but these have little bats, little cloth bats. They will have to be pressed back out. And they have little things like that. I was able to get 2 more of the purple. And I had not seen these before, but they look like they have like, but they're not actually burlap. But they're kind of a nice fall flower, so I grabbed them. And this candle and this is going to be part of another DIY. So I have some DIY projects coming. Let me put that project in one bag. And get that set aside. I am on my bed because I am still healing. And my shoulder is bothering me because the weather has changed drastically. And my hair is looking like this because it is like misting heavily, like almost, it's kind of raining, but not a real heavy rain. I don't know how to put it, but anyways. So, my ankle is taking a long time to heal, and it's kind of pain shooting up into my leg today. So, I don't know what's going on with it. But it is healing. But my shoulder, where I hurt this shoulder when I fell like 2 years ago in the bathroom, took a spill. Oh, I didn't show you him. Glow in the dark. And he's a good, I don't know, he's quite tall. He's like probably 16 inches or so. He doesn't say how tall he is, does he? 18-inch. Skeleton glow in the dark. I was up to no good with him, and then I couldn't find the rest of what I was going to do, so I have to think of some other way to do the craft I was going to do with him. But that's okay. I'll look and see if I can find what I was planning a different way with him. So that was all Dollar Tree haul, and anyways, got some crafting things I need to get done. I'm not going to be too much longer on this video because I need to get this up. I am so fed up with 11 hours, 21-hour uploads. Oh my good Lord. And then I called to see about getting my internet on, and because they have a contract with this facility, with this complex. I can't have anybody in here but MediaCom, which is not fair. Anyways, so I'm going to get off here, guys. And I think I'm going to get my rice bag out, and I'm probably going to show you guys how to make rice bags. And I'm going to get some heat on the shoulder before it gets any worse. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.